Hi everyone, I'm Chongda from Posap Malaysia. Today I would like to share with you the large amount management. What is the large amount management? Today I will go through a detail with you. Before understanding about the large amount management, maybe first of all let us understand how to become a smart factory logistics. Manufacturer can implement smart factory in many different ways, both inside and outside the four walls of the smart factory. According to Deloitte University Press, we need to understand the external logistics and also the internal logistics. Different type of the arrangement, different type of the process. Supply chain management is very huge activity. So first of all, we need to understand the procurement process. We need to understand the logistic process. Also, we need to understand how to communicate among the each department process. Besides this, today I also can learn and share with you about the internal logistic. Internal logistics is more on internal process. We will go through the supply chain internal process, go to the warehousing, and between the warehouse and production, and also the internal milk run or water spider activity. We can go through a different way. We can see what is the proper lean process and also the how to optimize the routing process. With Deloitte analysis, we can go through different ways to understand the manufacturing operation, warehouse operation, inventory tracking, quality, maintenance operation, and also the environment, health, and safety to understand what is the smart factory. In the manufacturing operation, we can look for the advanced planning and scheduling. And BOSAC Smart Factory Logistics is able to help on this. And also, the latest I explained about the large amount management, also providing the digitalized picking and refueling method. Warehouse operation, we also can understand what is the proper location checking, proper inventory checking, go through a different type of the system, and on-time database also can provide you the huge information. We can generate the track record on this. Before I share the last mile management in detail, let us quickly review the importance of fully automated and semi-automated systems. According to Industry 4.0, the production of smart factory requires agile and flexible changeover solution. And BOSAC, Smart Bin and Smart Label systems are able to provide a strong support in this field. Of course, we also can provide the big data through the cloud basis. User can trace the usage history transaction through the history capture. Can generate the necessary information for data analysis and future planning. User can just take away item from moving, then system will capture. Okay. They even can easily record and generate the necessary information. Or user can move around the device. After that, during the top up, then everything the item will back to the normal. How do we manage internal logistics? First of all, we need to understand the point of view supply chain information. The water spider or milk run person in charge, they need to go to the every point of view to do the checking material. They need to check on the part information, part inventory status, and of course the part related part number. They need to go through the manual recording. They need to go through a data entry in their ERP or SAP system. After that, they need to go through a material flow like the picking material, packing material, labeling the material. After that, they need to do the deliveries and refill to each of the point of use. Today, BOSAC last mile management can help to manage on the information flow. The water spider and milk run person in charge just need to follow the digital picking list from the last mile management. After that, they will follow the custom-made routing plan to do the delivery and refill to the location. Today, like the external logistic and of course the last mile management is focused on the internal logistic. Go through the demand request, digital picking list, pick pack, and optimize the routing plan is quite straightforward. Now point of view, the user take the item from the bin. System detected, starting call out the signal, generate the signal. Not only the point of view one, other the workstation also same. Some of the workstation also starting generate the signal. With the large amount management, the digital picking list will show out. So what we can do is we follow the digital picking list, go to do the picking. Large amount management comes with the ARIMS mobile. For your information, this is the ARIMS mobile apps interface. What we can do is just we click on the large amount management. Then from here we can start with the new route or the different route plan. We click on the start the new route. Then we go to the large amount management. So from here, user, the order picker or water spider, they can follow the app's information, go to the take example, the location, they put on the bin 1 with the quantity. And then they also can go to the another location to pick another item and put on the bin 2. Okay. After that, what you need to do is just click the pick item. Then the whole trolley can move over to the point of use. Okay, when the replenishment person in charge arrives at the point of view, so they will see from the ARIMS mobile to confirm the part information and location. Then they will do a replenishment on the point of view location. After done the replenishment, they will update in the ARIMS mobile. So then the person in charge will continue go to the point of use too. Arrive the point of view, they will check about the information, location, and do the replenishment. Again, same thing. After done the replenishment, so he will update in the ARIMS mobile. What if your production have multiple point of use? So after done the picking, so we can design the routing, we can look for the urgent one, we can look for the critical one, or we can look for the nearby. So we can base on the different scenario to come out the routing design. So the large amount management, the person in charge just follow the routing and done the top up accordingly. Save time and efficiency. Beside the flexible routing control, Bossat last mile management plus the feature of ARIMS mobile apps will also help customers to simplify the modification of production process. We can adjust the production layout in fast and easier way through the technology. Let's see how straightforward this is. For example, tomorrow we will start producing with other models. So what we need to do is we need to make some adjustment. We click on the modification, we go to the start with new modification, we click on the add item. After that, we click on the information. We need to search for the work cell name, continue with a sub work cell location. Then at here, we can choose for the usage method. Let's say example weekly, maybe we use 20 items. So when we put the 20 pieces per week, system will automatically calculate the yearly usage for us. So we just click on the add item. And here we can decide how many physical bin we need to use. Example, let's say just one bin. After decide the how many bin, so we go to the searching for available slot, maybe 1/1 location. So we click confirm. So before we complete, what we need to do is just enter the system information like smart label or smart bin. We just need to scan on the barcode, then we click, then we'll finish. Technology will change our life. It will also help us to lean the production process. Besides the flexible routing design, add item, we also can use it to update the part information, usage, or move the location. Like maybe we're changing the model, we need to add or move item, we can just simply done through the ARIMS mobile. Even we also can temporarily active, inactive, or remove the item. All of this will able to done without the bossard people around. Last mile management is as simple as plug and play. Here are the 5 main reasons why bossard last mile management is designed to be a great solution on this. It increases the efficiency of material flow into the production. It can let us have a higher visibility about the usage consumption at each stage of assembly process. We have a maximum flexibility and full control of the material flow by immediate system reconfiguration. Moreover, benefit of cost saving due to optimize the internal logistic process and advisory maintenance free by bossard expert. Last mile management is an industry proven solution helping manufacturers to achieve their full potential. Some of our customers experience up to 60% higher productivity. Okay, after understanding the concept of last mile management, demonstration of custom routing plan design, digital picking and refueling process, and the last mile management with the ARIMS mobile feature, it will bring a lot of the flexibility directly to intra-logistic and improving the productivity. Let's take a quick review of one of the real case setup process. Now we take a look at one of the customer production floor plan. It comes with more than 30 point of view workstation. With the previous practice without the last mile management, they need to have at least 8 time activity for water, spider, run to do the checking and refueling inventory at each of the workstation. Sometimes they will add a few more time because of the ad hoc urgent issue or usage ramp out. All this is due to no real-time usage information. And then all the production and the manual data update always come with the low accuracy because it come with the wrong timing or human mistake. The person might be forgot to update the data on time or didn't press a button after they do the scanning. So after bossard go through with their internal team for the value stream mapping study and implementing the fully automated system of some of the high usage workstation and also implement mixed solution. Some is a fully auto, some is semi-auto, which means is a smart bin and smart label solution in some other station. So this for the customer production floor plan. So we set up the small market area, and then beside the small market area, we also set up the system on the point of views. Some is a fully auto, some is a semi-auto. Okay, so total position they have more than 300 position, and then the workstation total up is 35 workstation. So the replenish the route plan only need 2 times. With one, they have the 2 route plan. And then the activity replenishment also need 2 times per day with the 1 trolley. So this last mile management main supermarket area, we set up the 9 rack back-to-back configuration with more than 200 part item. Some is a bossard item, some is a customer non-bossard item. So for the workstation, we do have the different solution. Like just now I mentioned, the fully auto, semi-auto. So on the different layout, the main key is we need to provide the flexibility. So user able to just bring the part they need. Or sometimes some workstation, because of the production, they will always changing model. So with the last mile management feature, they allow them to update the location with the different part. They can move location by themselves. Request from the team leader. So the whole flow practice is very straightforward. So the
the operator, the user, take the item from the workstation, the point of views. So once the system, the quantity drop below the running point, then system will generate the signal. Then last mile management will update and come with the digital picking list. So the midnight or water spider person in charge, they will go to the supermarket area to do the search for the item, do the picking, then update in the ARIMS mobile. Then they follow the route brand, go to the workstation and refueling. After done the refueling, they also just need to update and just a very simple action, just slide and a click refueling done. Then system itself will automatic update. Why we need to encourage our customer to have the system in both the supermarket area and the workstation area? Because with this, then we will know the top up timing, and also we can have the usage information, then related the analysis, their internal related analysis guy can download the report anytime and anywhere. So with those big data information, they can have the further analysis.
Look at point of view configuration. Last mile management provides a very agile and flexible way to manage the internal logistics. It also allows customers to adjust the production in fast and easier way. Thanks for watching on last mile management sharing. See you.
Want to find out more about last mile management? Please call us to arrange a full demonstration.